This brand new website isn't a piece of nonsense. But there is a ridiculously lazy method to make over 2 in every 2 minutes and then 60 per hour using a completely new affiliate marketing technique for novices. And I'll guide you through the entire process step by step. If that's something you'd want to see, give it a thumbs up down below. Let's get started with a complete step-by-step instruction. So for step 1 of this obscenely easy method of making money with affiliate marketing, before getting started, welcome back to my YouTube channel and make sure to subscribe and click on the bell notification. Stay tuned to the end of the video to catch the extreme option to become successful. With that said, let's get back to video. People make a ton of money online. I mean $2 every 2 minutes. I'm gonna show you undeniable proof as a new website. You've probably seen it before, so here's the site right here, cpagrip.com. Now, let's stop. Maybe you've seen it before. But maybe you haven't made money because you don't know what you're doing. And what I'm going to take you step by step. This is so easy. As a matter of fact, in the description below, I'm going to give you a done for you because I'm going to show you the manual way. Then I'm going to give you a link that you can just use it for yourself. So take it up and no, you don't have to buy anything. I'm not selling nothing, I promise you. Cross my heart, hope to die. I'm not selling into everything is free in video here. So what you want to do is register. CPA Grip is basically they're going to pay you cost per action. That's all it is. Click for action. So when people click, lead the email, you get paid. That's it. They don't have to buy nothing. And I know you're like that, so check it out. So this is a way for new people to start making money online. Until you start making a big money like me. We're talking about $1 million a month, you know, big money. And listen, I used to be just like you making $0 a day. But listen, take my advice, be patient, persist, and take massive action. Everybody else, they're just complaining and crying about life and how broke everybody live. Don't be a part of the loser community here. You're a winner. Look at me, you are a winner. So filling information here. First name, last name, email address, phone number, and etc. Put GPT if not put other, but put GPT. That's going to be very important. And I'm going to show you why in the video here. Login. It's very simple to do. All you do is once you log into your account, which is free, you click on Offer Tools, My Offers, so you know, just to speed up this process so you can start making money immediately. Get that $2 every 2 minutes, like I promise here. There's a bunch of offers here, and they're going to pay you. Look. They're going to pay you $1 just to do an email submit to. But let me show you what's working and what's working very well. I use sites like this to pay the note, so you could do it as well. So check it out. So what you want to do is type in PS5 here with me. So here's files very popular, still popular even today, and what I'm going to do is select this one. $2 we don't want $1. $2, so every time someone goes to this page and leave the email, they're going to pay you $2, and I'm going to show you where to go to get it done fast. Let's pay up $2 more 15 to 22. This is legit. I mean, I know a ton of people just doing this all day long care, and I have a team that does it for me. I don't really work anymore. I just make videos like this for free on YouTube for you. Smash the like button if you want me to continue. Alright, so check it out. So I gotta do a massive burp. But what you want to do is click here. And you want to use anything under here. Don't use Russian folders, use like Chemitol files here. And I explained that in a second year and copy the link. So basically, it's not about a form. When they leave the email, you get paid $2. Can people leave the email? $20, $30 people leave the emails coming below. If 30 people click this link and leave the email, how much money get paid? Yeah, $6. So it's that simple. And I'm sure how to get a ton of people on autopilot so you can get up in the morning, let it run, come back, have a couple $1,000 cashing out on this account here. So you're going to take that link. Make sure you save that link. All right, then you want to go back here and go to the name of bentley.com. So you're going to go to billy.com here, and you're going to shorten the URL because obviously you can't use that website address because it looks spammy. So scroll down here. You're still with me, smash the like button or leave a comment below. Here we go here, shorten, say that you're going to need that, that's how you're going to get paid. Copy that when I say that, then you're going to move over to the site by the name of canva.com. Let's go. And look, I don't want you to waste any time. So look, you're going to do a Twitter post like this. And what I've done for you, I've already kind of set it up already. You know, so we don't waste any time here. And this is what I promise you that done for you link. Boom, all right, data for you. You see this right here, May PS5 giveaway. You can put whatever month, a month 3, and we may right now, so if it's June, put June here, doesn't matter. And what I'm going to do is I'm going to give you this link here in the description under the video here. So you can just take the link and just do it immediately. So you have to use your design skills like here, but when a free PS5 words $699. We tweet this post, tag 3 friends who have paid play with you, click on the link in the bio to submit your answer. You're going to post this on your Twitter page. You go share, you can go straight to Twitter immediately. Why it doesn't matter if you have a bunch of followers, because when people see it, they're going to retweet it. They just will, because everybody wants to pay, as far especially young people. And remember. So this is like an engine that's running on autopilot for you. People going to retweet, they're going to tag me tweet. They're going to tag. And I mean, you're going to make $1,000 in one day. I mean, it's up to you. I don't know, like 500 people. All they need to do is leave an email on the page that's in your bio, which is going to be that bit.ly link that I just showed you. You put that link there for the free PS5. Click the link, and that's it. I mean, it's just that simple here. And let's see, you could do it on Facebook as well. I don't like Instagram too much, because one Instagram, you can do a retweet, but you can do it on Instagram as well. And if you're really smart, you want to make a ton of more money here, just give more offers. It's up to you. Right? You don't have to just do PS5. You can do Walmart gift cards, free gift cards. I will suggest to as many as humanly possible to get you to about a 500 to 1,000 all the day. It's like 15 grand or 30 grand per month, which I know you can use. Smash the like button if you can use that money right now. I'm going to leave the link below here if you want, if you're that lazy. You can design this. I just copied this from Google Images. Put it here, wrote these words right here. Take a screenshot of that. And you just post it, you just do it over and over again. You can create multiple Twitter accounts as well. I mean, listen, it's $2 every time a person submit their freaking email address. They don't have to buy nothing. Wake up. That's easy. Money, you can't do that right, just in case you're super lazy, but this is $2 every 2 minutes. That concludes today's video. If you learned something from this video, as always, please leave any concerns or questions in the comment section below. Thank you for sticking with me, and I'll see you in the next video.